people lost the job, so they need to survive. So they just opened the
Kepua.
restaurant. So
Kepua.
chicken was suddenly just going
Kepua,
up.
what are you
So
doing, Kepua?
I
Why
love
are you bothering your daddy? Huh? Why? Why? What is this?
So
What
not
is this?
everybody has a thermometer.
What is
So-
this?
Sure.
So
What's this?
well, usually if you don't have
What's that?
thermometer, you can
What's
do
this
this.
thing?
I
What's this
usually
thing?
put this in tip, like the tip
that?
of this chicken, and it's 11 years so far.
It's amazing. It's amazing. So you kind of just blew up right away.
Yeah, exactly.
Fabida?
Before that, I was almost addicted
Fabida?
to
It
only.
needs 11. Maybe it needs.
No! Diablo, yo no puedo ni.
Sauce. What are the ingredients for the sauce?
Kepúas.
Of course, we need the garlic.
Me cagó.
It needs the 3 garlic cloves.
¿Dónde?
Yo siento algo mojado por ahí.
Have you ever worked
No.
with such a?
Sí.
No, Kepúa.
Sí, revisa que me cagó
No,
por ahí.
you are
Por ahí,
cagó.
mira. Yo siento